2017 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, fog lights, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, spray-in bed liner, black door handles, power rear window sunshade. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.